Alright guys, today I'm going to show you exactly how I used AI to create image like this from this. It's Nano Banana.
Alright, the first thing you want to do is head on to gemini.google.com. I'm going to click on create image. This Nano Banana right here. So I can now upload that picture. Then I'll say wear me braided hair. Let's see what happens here now. It's going to generate the image with the braided hair. Image has been generated. So you can see the conversion from this to this. Okay, so I can just download that into my system. So beyond this, let's try something else. Let's say wear me, or let's say change my clothes to agbada and cap. Now, I didn't specify what type of agbada, but let's see what comes up. So this is what we have here. So with this, you can always package yourself the way you want, send it to your photographer, or even take it by yourself to a photo studio and print and enlarge. So let's do one more thing. Let's change the color of the agbada. Let's change the color of the agbada. Change the color of the agbada to blue. Let's see what comes out of this. So the color of the agbada has been changed to blue. Alright, so this is how these are so many more stuffs you can actually do with it. You just have to try it out. The Google Nano Banana is interesting. It's very interesting. You might want to try it out.